everyone, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, please make sure to subscribe as I upload videos every single week. Yeah, I'm in my tiny apartment, in my tiny kitchen, and I thought I would show you what I eat in a day. And this is going to be a very realistic one because I woke up like an hour ago and it's already the afternoon. Yeah, so the first thing I did when I woke up was drink a cup of water, and now I actually need to go and eat something. Before I start, I just want to say that I am intolerant to so many things, and if you haven't checked out my intolerant video, go check that out now. Yeah, there's just so many things that I can't eat, and I started this new diet since September, and obviously I'm gonna have to like stick with it because I'm intolerant to so many things. But yeah, this is in no way to like lose weight, or I am not the type to count calories. I just have to eat like this for my own health, my digestive issues and my skin problems. But yeah, I thought I'll give you a realistic what I eat in a day as a model, and I'm starving right now, so let me start. Bye. As you already know, I'm not a morning person, so I don't usually have heavy breakfasts, also because I'm gluten and dairy intolerant, so it's difficult to find bread and cereal that I can actually eat. Therefore, if I do wake up, I will eat fruits. Today I only have a pear, so I need to go shopping straight after this. Don't judge my cutting skills, I know I'm awful. I've been drinking peppermint tea every day because it's really good for getting rid of bloating and indigestion. So this is my quick snack before lunch.
A few moments later.
It's now 2 p.m. I usually have leftovers from the night before for lunch, but as I don't have anything in the fridge, I'm making a super quick salad. Obviously, wash everything before. My protein is tuna, healthy fat is avocado. I can't actually have any of the dressings sold in supermarkets, so here I'm just using all the stuff I can eat. I forgot to buy lemon, but usually I squeeze lemon inside as well. If I want to eat cooked foods, usually I'll have rice noodles or I will make a gluten-free pasta. But I've been pretty unhealthy recently and have been snacking a lot, therefore today I'm having a salad.
I absolutely love chocolate, so I will eat dark chocolate and have hot chocolate every single day. I guess when the weather gets hotter, I'll stop, so it's either this or tea. Chocolate actually reduces stress. It's a source of antioxidants and improves brain function. I just can't live without chocolate. I know this is super lazy, but this is the fastest way to make hot chocolate. Just put it in the microwave. But obviously it is unhealthy, so only copy me if you're actually in a rush. For dinner, I like hot cooked foods. I mainly cook Asian dishes, but being intolerant to egg, soy, and gluten, I can't 100% make the perfect Asian dish. So first I'll steam chung fam for 15 minutes. I'm so sorry if I'm pronouncing that wrong. This chung fam has shrimp and spring onion inside. Most dim sum dishes contain some kind of bean powder or wheat flour, which I can't eat, so this is the only thing I can have. Usually I eat rice every day, but today this will be my carbohydrate. To make this tastier, you can use soy sauce or chili and garlic. The main dish for tonight is pork and aubergine. Some people call aubergine eggplant, but yeah, this is a pork and aubergine dish. Before, I love making marble tofu, which is a Chinese dish, but I can't actually eat tofu anymore, so this has become one of my favorite dishes. I'm using 1 whole onion, 1 aubergine, and a pack of minced pork. If you don't eat pork, you can use the vegan Beyond Meat mince instead. I'm sure there's other alternatives. I never measure how much I put in, I just go with the flow and taste at the end. Instead of oyster sauce, this dish will taste so much better with soy sauce and some garlic and chili. I mix cornstarch with water and pour it in to change the consistency so there isn't too much sauce. Broccoli is so easy to make. Just boil for 5 minutes and add salt in boiling water and it's basically done. Broccoli is a good source of fiber and protein. Today I'm boiling 2 broccolis and yeah, I love broccoli. And there you have it, 3 dishes for dinner. Thanks so much for watching, and if you haven't already, please subscribe and like and leave a comment down below. Bye!